Zhongshan Chuangyuan Power Equipment Company Limited, hereinafter referred to as Chuangyuan Power, formerly known as Xiaolan Chuanbo Fittings Company Limited, was founded in 1989, is located in Xiaolan Town, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province. Through nearly 32 years of unremitting efforts, we have many trusted ship owners and real estate industry clients. Zhongshan Chuangyuan Power are currently providing marine engine, marine gearbox, marine generator set, industrial generator set, shaft, propeller, deck equipments, and other related spare parts and accessories.